Morning, welcome to ANZ News. It's 1st of September. Welcome to the new month. It's Tuesday, so we're talking a little bit crypto, but also gold too. Dollar cost averaging and bamboo. If you haven't heard or seen what bamboo is, this is going to be a great introduction for you. You can also click through to their product from our website. Emotion and investment are very hard to separate, and yet they should have no common ground in the quest for preserving and growing your wealth. The best investors are those who can stick to a well-considered plan, adjusting on changes in fundamentals and not on FOMO or fear of missing out, or TTID, this time is different. An alternative is simply not to try and understand the best timing, but to average your way in on regular set times, irrespective of what's happening in the market. So-called dollar cost averaging, or DCA, removes the emotion, but of course you need to understand and believe in the investment. We post news daily to educate you on how and why we are in an unprecedented macroeconomic era. What's going on in our world now has some of the greatest macroeconomic analysis more unanimously bullish on gold, silver, Bitcoin and Ethereum than ever before. We'll explore how it performs, but first some exciting news. As many will know, we've been big supporters of the Aussie Roundup and dollar cost averaging app Bamboo for a couple of years now. Bamboo is a beautifully simple but effective way of easily acquiring Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold and silver through your mobile phone and bank account. We are proud to provide the gold and silver through our gold standard, AUS, and silver standard, AGS, tokens that Ainsley built. The app lets you round up payments out of your bank account and credit card, dollar cost average through recurring purchases, and easily top up anytime, anywhere when you see a dip opportunity or come into some money that you want to quickly invest before you waste it. So beautiful, simple, and intuitive is the user experience. They received a nomination from the nominee jury of internationally respected A Design Award and competition for 2021. On Sunday, we saw the exciting news that Perth-based investment fund manager Digital Capital Management, or DCM, had acquired the company after being seed investors since its inception. They've also teamed up with Mind Digital, with their CEO, Grant Colthorpe, joining the board, and Mind Digital will ensure wholesale pricing of assets, as well as providing Bamboo licensed and insured digital wallet infrastructure with BC Group, in whom it's worth noting that Fidelity Group recently acquired a stake in. Mind Digital has strong international relationships and will be looking to bring additional strategic partnership to the business for the benefit of Bamboo customers. One part of the announcement that will have many rejoicing is the long-awaited addition of Android to the platform. If you haven't seen what what Bamboo looks like, this next image will check it out here for you. Bamboo offer integration with an incredibly long list of Aussie banks, building societies and super fund accounts. As Bamboo point out in the press release, compared to the returns on money in those banks for the year to date, they've seen the four assets offer the following returns. Bitcoin up 61.25%, Ethereum up 226.43%, gold up 23.73%, and silver up 48.57%. With the new ownership comes some exciting and imminent expansions of the offer. The combination of the closed circuit nature of the platform linked directly to your bank account, security, reporting transparency, and the infinite auditability of the blockchain makes this the perfect vehicle for self-managed super funds. And so not surprising, it is due to roll out this month, as can be seen in the roadmap of exciting new prospects we discuss next. Integrate with Mind Digital to provide wholesale cryptocurrency prices to customers. That's coming in August 2020, which is now. Enhanced trading reports, September 2020. Enable access and compliance requirements for self-managed super funds. That's in September. Access to earn interest on your investments. That's in December 2020. Advanced portfolio rebalancing. That's in December. And revamped tokenomics in December as well. So as previously mentioned, one of the key benefits of an app like Bamboo is the ability and the auto discipline of dollar cost averaging. Crypto markets in particular are volatile, and volatility often brings human emotion in the form of FOMO into play. That inevitability sees people piling in at the top and steering clear at the bottom. And that's not a great formula for making money. Forbes ran an article earlier this year on exactly this topic, and they gave the example in this shown tweet. I took out a $75,000 mortgage, put it all into Bitcoin at $19,442 US. And right now I have 48,639 left. W2F, do I sell or do I keep holding? Bit of a mistake there for Hayden. Poor Hayden went all in at peak FOMO. from Forbes on what is DCA. The goal of such a strategy is to increase your exposure to an investment asset slowly over time instead of all at once. This allows an investor to reduce the risk associated with purchasing an asset that is highly volatile on a day-to-day basis, while gaining exposure to the long-term trends of the asset. And indeed, Bitcoin is very volatile. A 35% drop in 4 days is quite significant. As you can see from this next shown graph, Bitcoin is significantly more volatile than gold, the S&P 500, and the US dollar. Check out those movements there for Bitcoin overlaid into this graph. Massively volatile in comparison. So how exactly would Bitcoin dollar cost averaging affect an investment? If we look at what at Proud Mool's investment would look like on February 17th, 2020, he would have $37,400, a 50% loss since December 2017. Using the bitcolladostaverage.com calculator, if he would have put $1,500 with every bi-monthly paycheck, which is reasonably doable, starting on December the 17th, 2017, he would have spent that $76,500 and would now have $113,677 worth of Bitcoin on February the 17th, 2020. And that's a 45.74% gain since December 2017. The power of dollar cost averaging. But the benefits of dollar cost averaging are not just capital related. By steadily increasing your investment exposure, dollar cost averaging may also reduce stress related to having too much money concentrated in a single asset and curb emotional urges that might result in buying or selling your investments in a panic. And when you feel you've had enough exposure, all you have to do is turn off your dollar cost averaging service. In other words, the right investments, DCA can see your wealth grow and flourish, well, like bamboo. You can learn more about bamboo by clicking on the link in the comments or through the website through our news articles. You can download the app via the Google Play Store, also in the link in our comments and via our website. And also grab the iOS app from the App Store. That link's shown as well on our website. Well, that's news for today. I hope you've had a great listen or a read. Jump over to ainsleyBullion.com.au for everything gold and silver, Ainsley Wealth for everything cryptocurrency, and goldsilverstandard.com for our gold and silver backed token. Thanks for listening. We'll catch you tomorrow.